Ever wondered how the dazzling gemstones are formed? It's quite a fascinating process. Gemstones, those radiant pieces of nature's artistry, have captivated us for centuries with their mesmerizing beauty. But have you ever stopped to think about how they are formed? It's a tale as old as time itself, spanning millions upon millions of years. Much like a fine wine or a good cheese, gemstones are the result of a natural process that takes its sweet time to reach perfection. They are not created overnight. Instead, they are the outcome of millions of years of geological processes patiently waiting beneath the surface of our Earth. Gemstone formation is a natural miracle, a testimony to the incredible forces at work deep within the Earth's crust. It's a journey that begins with the simplest of ingredients: minerals. These are the building blocks of gemstones, each one contributing to the unique characteristics that make a gemstone special. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all gemstones are created equal. Different types of gemstones are formed under different conditions. For instance, the formation of a diamond, the hardest gemstone, requires immense pressure and heat, while an opal, known for its dazzling array of colors, forms in sedimentary rocks with high water content. These varying conditions create a dazzling array of gemstones, each with its unique appearance and properties. From the deep blue sapphire to the vibrant green emerald, the fiery red ruby to the sparkling clear diamond, each gemstone has its own story of formation to tell. But there's more to gemstones than meets the eye. Beyond their physical allure, they carry symbolic meanings and are believed to possess certain powers. They're used in jewelry, healing practices, and even technological applications. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to unravel the secrets of gemstone formation? Here we go. The first step in the formation of gemstones involves minerals. But what are minerals, you may ask? Well, minerals are naturally occurring, inorganic substances with a defined chemical composition and a crystal structure. They're the building blocks of rocks and consequently gemstones. There's a dizzying array of minerals out there, over 5,000 to be precise, each with unique properties and structures. But don't worry, not all of them are involved in gemstone formation. Only a select few have the honor of being part of this intricate process. You see, the role of minerals in the formation of gemstones is akin to the role of ingredients in a recipe. Different minerals contribute to the variety of gemstones we see, much like how different ingredients result in a variety of dishes. For example, the mineral corundum, when pure, forms clear gemstones. However, when traces of other minerals like chromium or titanium sneak in, we get rubies and sapphires, respectively. Similarly, the mineral beryl gives us emeralds when chromium or vanadium joins the party, and aquamarines when there's a dash of iron. The presence of these guest minerals not only affects the color, but also the physical properties of the resulting gemstones, such as hardness, luster, and refraction. And then there are diamonds, the hardest known natural material on Earth. They're made entirely of carbon, one of the simplest and most abundant elements in the universe, but it takes extremely high pressure and temperature conditions deep within the Earth to transform this humble element into a sparkling diamond. So, you see, the seemingly simple stones we admire in jewelry stores and museums are actually the result of complex natural processes involving a fascinating interplay of minerals. Each gemstone tells a unique story of its journey from a humble mineral to a dazzling beauty. So, the type of mineral present at the time of gemstone formation plays a crucial role in determining the type of gemstone that will be formed. Now let's move to the second step, the influence of pressure and temperature. You see, gemstones are not born overnight. They are products of intense conditions deep within the Earth's crust, where pressure and temperature play their parts in a drama that unfolds over millions of years. Let's start with pressure. It's like the Earth's own high-stakes game of Tetris. As the Earth's tectonic plates move and collide, they exert immense pressure on the rocks below. This pressure is unimaginably high, with a single square inch facing the weight of several million pounds. It's like having a herd of elephants standing on your toe, but spread over a much smaller area. This pressure acts on the minerals we discussed in the previous scene, squeezing and reshaping them, forcing them to rearrange their molecular structure. This rearrangement under pressure is what transforms simple minerals into complex and beautiful gemstones. But pressure alone is not enough. Enter temperature. The Earth's interior is a natural furnace, with temperatures reaching up to several thousand degrees Fahrenheit. It's hotter than the surface of the sun, and it's this heat that drives the transformation process. When subjected to these high temperatures, the minerals begin to melt and mix, interact and change, all while maintaining their solid state. This process, known as metamorphism, is what gives gemstones their hard and durable qualities. It's what makes a diamond the hardest substance on Earth, capable of cutting through glass like butter, and it's what gives a ruby its brilliant red color and exceptional hardness. So, you see, the formation of gemstones is a complex dance of pressure and temperature, a process that requires just the right conditions and an unimaginable amount of time. It's a testament to the amazing processes that occur deep within our Earth, processes that are invisible to us but have a profound impact on the world we see. Thus, without the right pressure and temperature conditions, the formation of gemstones would be impossible. The final step in the formation of gemstones is time, a lot of it. You might have heard the saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. Well, the same goes for gemstones. They aren't made overnight, over a year, or even over a century. The formation of gemstones is an incredibly slow process that takes millions, sometimes billions of years. Imagine that. A gem you might be wearing right now could be older than the entire human race. Picture this. Deep within the Earth, under extreme heat and pressure, minerals begin to change. They start to rearrange themselves, forming different patterns. This is where the magic starts to happen. But the magic doesn't rush. It takes its sweet time, allowing the transformation to occur at a pace that's almost imperceptible. Why so slow, you might ask? Well, the slow cooling of these minerals is what allows the formation of the beautiful crystal structures we associate with gemstones. Each atom has to find its perfect place in the structure, like a puzzle piece fitting into a vast, intricate puzzle. This can't be rushed. It's a process that requires time and plenty of it, and it's precisely this slow, painstaking process that makes gemstones so rare and therefore so valuable. Each gemstone is a tiny spectacle of nature's patience and perseverance. They are testament to time's incredible power to transform, to create beauty from the mundane, to turn simple minerals into dazzling gemstones. To put it into perspective, think about this. The time it took for a single gemstone to form is longer than all of recorded human history. That's right. The gemstone on your ring or necklace has been in the making for longer than the pyramids of Egypt, longer than the Roman Empire, longer even than the Ice Ages. It's a tiny piece of the Earth's history, captured and preserved for us to admire. So, the next time you look at a gemstone, remember that it's a piece of history millions of years old. So what makes gemstones so fascinating and beautiful? Well, the beauty of gemstones lies not only in their vibrant colors and dazzling shine, but also in the remarkable processes that lead to their formation. It's a journey that begins deep within the Earth, where a cocktail of minerals awaits the right conditions to transform into the gemstones we admire today. Minerals are the building blocks of gemstones. Each gemstone contains a unique combination of minerals that give it its distinct color and characteristics. For instance, the deep green of an emerald comes from the presence of chromium and vanadium, while the blue in sapphires is due to iron and titanium. It's like nature's own recipe book, where each ingredient contributes to the final creation. But these minerals need the right conditions to evolve into gemstones. Pressure and temperature play crucial roles here. Under the Earth's surface, minerals are subjected to immense pressures and high temperatures. These conditions cause the minerals to rearrange their structures, leading to the formation of different types of gemstones. It's like a grand performance where pressure and temperature are the conductors, orchestrating the transformation of ordinary minerals into extraordinary gemstones. And let's not forget about time. The formation of gemstones isn't a quick process. It can take millions, even billions of years for a gemstone to form. Time acts as the final ingredient in this recipe, allowing the transformation to take place at a pace that ensures the gemstone's unique properties. This incredible process of gemstone formation results in a wide variety of gemstones, each with its own unique characteristics. From the deep red of rubies to the clear brilliance of diamonds, the diversity of gemstones is a testament to the complexity of the processes that create them. Hence, the formation of gemstones is a testament to the incredible processes that occur beneath the Earth's surface over millions of years. Truly, each gemstone is a piece of Earth's story, etched in color and sparkle, waiting to be discovered and admired.